Hello and welcome back to MG Tracy. Now today's video is about cleaning, this one's a Ninja, but cleaning your air fryer. If that's something interests you, this video is for you. You'll find all the music on this and my other videos is available under Paul Gates Music on all the streaming services. So if you'd like to listen to salsa, to snow music from London, it's all there. So today we're going to be doing this. Now there's an awful lot of videos about cleaning air fryers on YouTube and some of them are complete rubbish. Boiling lemons, dropping dishwasher tablets in them. Some of them are not only dangerous, they're going to invalidate your warranty. It's not actually that difficult. Air fryer sounds really fantastic, doesn't it? What is it really? It's a fan, it's a small fan oven. So you can't clean it all completely, and you'll see what I mean in a minute, nor do you need to. So let's have a look at how you can just clean your air fryer. And the main thing to think about, it's little and often. So I guess we all know inside how these get. So we'll deal with these bits first, the actual drawers. You will find all sorts of things sold, from silicone bits that go into paper. I haven't any joy of any of those. Some of the paper ones caught light, and the silicone, it stops it working, because when you look at this is raised, and the reason it's raised like that is to let the air circulate under and over the food. If you just put basically a silicone box in there, it doesn't cook the bottom and it doesn't work properly. So it is just a question of cleaning these. So if we're looking at this one has had a couple of goes there, and you can see it's just mainly fat. Now you can either whop that in the dishwasher. Make sure it's not the hottest setting, because you will find there's little rubber bits on the end, and if you go too hot too often in the dishwasher with the chemicals, these bits seem to get loose and drop off. Or you can just use a bit of fairy liquid, and that really is the best way to do this as well. And a lot of this, it's best to do when the unit is still warm, not really hot. So let it cool down for now, but while it's still warm, and I'll show you what I do. So the first thing I do is get some hot water running. You're going to need a reasonable amount of hot water, and you're going to want some washing up liquid. This is to make sure you can clean it, but also you don't bung up your drain too much. So we're going to put a little bit on there, and we're going to put a little bit in there. Now all I do with this one, I don't use anything that could scrape it. I just get a microfiber and I just rinse this off like that. And that actually I timed it 12 seconds, so I can't do it and hold the phone, but you can see it's got a non-stick surface on. So just a bit of fairy liquid, warm water. Keep running the warm water after you finish to make sure you don't leave any of the fat in your sink, and plenty of washing up liquid. So honestly, 10 seconds, 12 seconds, just let it dry, that'll be fine. Or it's okay to put that in the dishwasher, but not too hot a setting, just the economy setting will be fine. Washing that liquid has had a little while in there to start on the fat. I'm going to run the hot water on it now. And it's the same really as the trays. Just give that a swoosh around. You're not looking to get it absolutely perfectly clean, you know, you're just looking to get the worst of that fat away. Super, so I just give those a quick dry off with some dry kitchen roll, and they're as good as new. So I would say that job, all in all, 5 minutes. If you do that once a week, depending how often you use it, that'll just keep all these drawers in tip-top condition. It doesn't matter what brand or what configuration you have. I say this is the Ninja with the drawer each side. Just a gentle wipe round with a microfiber cloth, no chemicals, just a slightly damp microfiber is fine. Now the only other bit we need to clean is under here. So we're going to turn the unit upside down. Just do that very gently and make sure you put the unit on a tea towel if it's on a top like this, because you don't want to scratch anything. Now with the unit upside down, if this is the first time you've seen this, you like me might be quite surprised. There's not a lot here. There's actually a fan and there's an element, and all the different heat settings and cook, fry, bake, do your laundry. It's all actually based on how fast the fan is going really and how hot that element is getting. Now you will get caked in stuff around here, but to be honest, it's almost impossible to get it out. It's more dangerous that you're going to damage one of the surfaces, unless you're having a lot of problem and you're getting a lot of smoke. Again, a gentle wipe round when this is warm with a microfiber. But the main thing is just to give this element a wipe. You can't really get at the fan, and all the other YouTubers have come up with complicated ways to do this, and it takes 1 or 2 hours. It's unnecessary. It's like washing your tyres on the car before you go and drive in the snow. It might look very nice. It's just not necessary, so don't waste your time and possibly invalidate the warranty by knocking off something here or damaging something with vigorous cleaning. So let's just give this a quick wipe round with a warm microfiber. Just wiping that element, anything obvious on the side, anything around here that will just easily come off, I shall get off, but I'm not going to put Cif or anything else on here. Vinegar, all you're going to do is make your food smell odd, you may invalidate a warranty, and it's completely unnecessary. No one can see it, no one can see it. There you are. Now if you do this, particularly if the unit's still a little bit warm, and you do this every couple of weeks, then your air fryer is going to last you a very long time. Don't overwet it, and don't turn it on for an hour until that's just had a time to dry off, but it should only be a moist cloth anyway. Honestly, that's all that is. That's all there is to it. So we've had this about a year. It gets a lot of use. Yes, there's a bit of fat burnt there, but ignore it. Don't try and get that off. You're going to do more damage than you are good trying to make that clean, and no one will ever know. So there you are. This is very easy. All you need is some washing up liquid and a couple of microfiber cloths and maybe some kitchen roll just to dry it off. I would say that total job is 7 or 8 minutes, and your air fryer is good to go. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you can listen to a bit of my music as well while it's streaming, that'd be awesome. This is Paul from London. I'll see you in the next video. Cheerio.